Yo people, welcome back City Hunters. New day, new vlog from Valemount. Today I'm going to give you guys really different kind of experience tour of a lodge where we're staying in. We came from Banff, as you guys know, through Jasper, and this is a small town called Valemount. It's not a town, I think it's a village. So we've booked here our stay for 2 days. It's a camping ground and lodge as well. So I'm going to give you guys a tour. For me, it's the first time that I'm staying in this kind of lodge. So not sure what about you guys, but first I'll show you this area, and after that we'll go inside and I'll show you this lodge from inside. Stay with me and catch you in a bit. Peace out, ciao. So basically this is the lodge. It's called the summitriverlodge.com. You can book it for yourself as well. Some information here about the B&B guests, campers, RVs, etc. And I'll come back later to this house, amazing wooden house. First let me show you guys this area about the camping ground. So for me it's the first time. I think when I was at school in grade 7, maybe grade 8, groep 7, groep 8 they call it in the Netherlands, I went for camping. After that I didn't do anything. So we're surrounded by some nice mountains. I think there's a train coming as well, so I'll pause because they make a lot of sound, man. So, and they're quite long. And finally the train has passed by. So in the back you see some beautiful mountains. This area is surrounded by mountains, and yeah, over there I've got my car parked, that one, and this is a shed around here, this area of the owners. So I'll just walk around, I'll show you guys. Yesterday was busy with a lot of campers and tents. Today not sure, maybe people will come in late. So that's the place for firewoods. It's really like old school, man, for me because I'm used to hotels, and this is like a proper camping ground. So okay, not sure what this is, but over there you can see a tent, lodge as well. This one, not sure if somebody is already in there, and another lodge there. It's been raining, so it's a little bit slippery. And yeah, in the back you've got places where you can put your camper in. So let me go there. Wow, look at the mountain. Wow. Okay, so in the back, not sure if you can see that, but that's a mountain with a glacier on it. And this is some hangout place here where you guys can put your camper or a tent or whatsoever you would like to do. So let me walk quickly. So that's the lodge where we're staying at. They've got a small playground area as well for the kids over here. There's one camper around here today, so I'll just walk. And behind me a lot of forest and yeah, mountains. So we're surrounded by mountains. It's a bit chilly around here. Yeah, it's been raining, so I'm not going that side, so let me turn. So this is still then lodge. I'm walking towards the back. I'll just show you, I think, one more stuff outside, and then I'll go inside. So yeah, here is a fill-up station for the RVs. The mountains. As you can see, it's been raining. So let me move. So there's a bridge at the same lodge. There's coming some kind of a river around this area, and there's a small little kind of beach, not really a beach, but at least you can sit here when the weather is nice and you can enjoy. And look at this, this is a proper big ground. I've heard, I've not seen them, but I've heard there are bears as well here around this area, so need to be a little bit careful. But there are a lot of bears in this area, and as you guys can see, this is a proper big area where yeah, where you can hang out and chill as well. So once again, we're staying in Valemount. There's not much to do, to be honest, in Valemount, but around this area you can do a lot of activities. For example, rafting, you can ride a boat, you can yeah, when it's winter you can go snowboarding, snow skiing, rent out a snow scooter. All those activities you can do. And now it's summertime, so you guys could hike up in the mountains. So that's the activities what you can do. Oh, one thing I forgot, also mountain biking is really famous around this area. So now let's go inside, and I'm going to show you the inside of the lodge. Peace out, ciao. So before I enter the lodge, they've got the place where I can do my barbecue. So this is the entrance. Over here you've got the washroom, I think, for the people who are in the camps. She's the owner. Hello. I'll interview you later on with your husband, maybe, if you would want to. Yeah, okay. And that's the owner.
How we doing?
How you going? Doing good, yeah?
Doing great, man. Beautiful day at Summit River Lodge.
Yeah, so maybe you want to introduce yourself straight away. I'll call your wife.
Yeah.
If she's got time. Then maybe
yeah,
you
my name is Benny.
Hi,
I'm just kind of crushing things here at Summit River Lodge. Yeah. Just living the mountain life. BC is where it's at.
Cool.
We had rain a little bit ago, and now the sun's trying to peek out, so it's nice.
So everyone who wants to come to
Summit River Lodge, please come.
Come.
Yeah, we're right close to Valemount, BC.
Cool.
About 20 minutes out. If you want to do any mountain biking, we have the best top-notch mountain biking. Red Bull does events here, so that says something. But yeah, it's quite an area. Yeah.
Cool, man, Benny.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll talk from
he's
inside.
the man.
I'm the man.
All the way from Amsterdam.
All the way from Amsterdam. Yeah. Cool, man, Benny.
Yeah,
thank
you're
you.
Welcome. Welcome.
And thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me go inside then. And vlog. So this is the entrance. As I guys told you, this is really different than the hotels where I was staying in. So this is like remove your shoes. They've got a snack thingy. So this is the lodge, man. So basically this area is for everyone. They've got a kitchen here as well, and microwave. Benny and Kaylee, of course. So Benny, you guys just seen. So this is the kitchen, and they serve every morning breakfast as well. So yeah, continental. This is then basically the living room and where you guys can hang out, chill and relax. They've got a sofa with a TV as well, and this is the lodge from inside. We've got a nice view of the mountains, so where I was just. So now let me go inside. Yeah, so basically Over here you've got some rooms as well, and we're staying upstairs. So if I go upstairs, so we've got like 2 washrooms, which are for us. So I'll show you the washrooms as well. So this is a toilet, washroom with a bath. Then this is where you can wash your hair. So obviously mirror. Washroom number 2. Let me put the lights on. So a washing table, a mirror, toilet. Look at inside, man. It's really different. So okay, that's a lodge.